Hi, I'm Josh Hockman with Park Industries Customer Service Department. On this video, we are going to show you how to set your spindle to work surface height on a Titan 4K. So first thing you'll want to do is grab your spindle to work surface height tool. This tool did come with every machine when it was new. And what this tool is essentially just a rod, but it has a measured distance stamped into it. So what we want to do to start out with is record our measured distance down. In this case, ours is 6.880. And then we'll come to our screen and we'll come to the setup and then the offsets. And right here is our spindle to work surface height. Ours is zeroed out right now. And what we're going to do is insert this tool and drive our spindle down until this tool touches our top of our table. And that'll give us the spindle to work surface height here. We'll come here and we'll just see down. Take it slow so you don't smash it into the table. And we're just going to get that really close to our tabletop, and then we'll switch to 1/1000 increments and start slowly going down. And we just want to spin that tool kind of feel how much tension's there, and then spin that tool slowly while coming down until you can just feel it touch the tabletop. It does work a little bit easier if you have two people, one slowly driving the pendant and one person spinning the tool. So right there, we're just touching. So we'll come to our screen. And what we'll do is look at our Z height here, so 12.013, and we'll enter that in to our spindle to work surface height. So we'll click on our spindle to work surface height, 12.013, and then our value will add, so plus our tool height, which was 6.880. We'll just hit enter, and that will be our new spindle to work surface height. Now that is the suggested height. It should get you very close, but ultimately you want your height set to where your tools are running. So if what you want to do is run an encapsulating tool, so a bullnose edge, top and bottom radius, and you want to run an edge and see if that tool needs to move up or down. And depending on which way it needs to move, you can adjust that number. And that will get all your tools back in line again, so you don't have to change your Z offset on every tool. So if you do need to come down with the tool more, you would add to this number. If you need to come up with that tool, you would subtract some from that number. And that will get your Z height correct right where you had it then. As always, if you have any questions, please give our customer service department a call and we'd be glad to help. Thank you.